And suddenly, they were stuck in the snow.
Oh no, Dad.
I know, right? And as they tried to get free...
Did they have a manual jack? Or the car jacking system?
No, buddy.
Well, what about an electric jack? Did they have one of those, an electric jack?
Cheese and rice, Jimmy. What are you talking about? I mean, this was Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. They didn't even have that technology.
Yeah, well, with its single button operation and concave pad design, it can get you out of almost any situation.
That was good. That worked. Okay. We have been having a hoot and a holler making these videos for you guys.
Such a hoot.
Not right now, buddy. Not right now. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing.
Thank you for the support.
Sean, I mean, bro, come on. It's my turn to talk right now. When we're making a video, it's my turn to talk, and then it's your turn to talk. I mean,
I just thought I was adding to it. I didn't
no,
mean
bro,
anything
it's just like
wrong
time in
there.
the woods. I mean, you're not even bringing your A game to this.
But that wasn't not my intention. I wasn't trying to do that. Give me another shot, man.